types of bells today. We're going to find out about the big bells that we've got up in the top of the tower. Who knows how many bells we've got up in the top of the tower? With one hand.
In one hand,
like
can you do that? Excellent. Everybody got their bell? Yeah. Right, now to make it ring, you go.
No, we've got to make. What letter have we got? Everybody with a D. Ring. Have we got any A's? Ring an A.
Mind you don't hit your head. Now, each one of these is worth one beat. So, boom, boom. Okay? So, if I just shout out the letters, so.
One more time.
One more time?
Yeah.
Yes.
It was a nice note.
Which one do you want then? What bell have you got at the moment? Ready? 1, 2. C, C, G, G, A, I, G, F, F, G, D, 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 C, G, G, L, F, E, E, D, G, G, F, F, E, E, D. At the top. C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, E, D, D, C.
Comes down and the rope goes up. The rope comes down and the tummy goes up.
My arms are going up in the air. Good.
Just a couple more.
Just bring your hands straight down through like this. Look, there we are.
One more and I'll stop it.
Good.
Well done.
Right this side then. And your arms go down. And if you look at a point down on the floor, that's when your hands go down. Point them to the floor. All right?
Look straight up. Sammy comes down and the rope goes up. Rope comes down and the Sammy comes
That's
up.
good. Put these hands together now. That's lovely. Well done.
See it time. The time doing is called the hand stroke.
Very good.
Couple more.
Well done.
Sammy comes down and the rope goes up.
Point to the floor. That's it. Put your hands down there when they come down.
Try and stretch it a little bit more.
Up in the air.
That's the idea. See if we can stretch it even higher. That's it. It's a safety mechanism that stops it going over.
Very gently.
Oh no, no, thank you.
That's better. Good. Put your hands
I
right.
wish I died on that. I don't like that.
Drop your hands down. That's better. Well done. Hard work, didn't you? That's it.
So we're going to go and have a Is that the plan? See what Jess is doing. Jess is doing a good job. Yes, it's a bit thinking about the logistics of it. The other bit is
I got the down as well.
And he did a splendid job on telling me my sister instincts just now. Before he was just over.
Can't see out.
Not yet. You start. 48? 49? 41? 49? 51. What we've got is 12 bells. 11, 12. So we know we've got 12 bells. The bell is normally hanging down. To ring the bell, we've got to swing it backwards and forwards until it's facing up that way. And then when we've done that, it can be rung. So here we go.
That's right.
Pull it. Oh.
You see the ropes getting longer in Jeff's hand? More and more rope going up now. This bit on the end is what you were doing on the simulator, isn't
Right,
it?
so now the belly's upside down. And I can read it exactly the same as you were ringing the simulator downstairs. And you were pulling it down the backstroke. And David was catching it at a handstroke, wasn't he? Right.
Yes, sir.
We'll get your bells ringing. There we are. And you all right? Off we go. And you making a noise?
Are you making noise?
Come on, Jess. Come on. What are you doing?
All right, you have a noise. Yes. Right, we're going to start then. Okay, come on then. To the right, onto the church path, all right?
There's still 49 steps.
Come on then.
Go on then.
Probably went down before. There's so many steps. Right, Elliot.
Come on then, Megan.
I counted 48. Everybody, it's 48.
You all hold your bells up like that to start with. Not in the air. Up to your chins. That's lovely, thank you. Everybody with a B. And happy birthday. So something a little bit harder than that. What we're going to ring is a Christmas carol. Okay? A very well known Christmas carol. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Cool, long, and dump your bells. How are we doing for time, teacher?
I've donged it. You ready? Are you listening?
That's 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
Listen.
Still going. 50 seconds. That's still going. Just about stop now. Just about 1 minute.
1 minute.